how to fix WhatsApp status not showing problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you frustrated because of the issue of WhatsApp status not showing? Then you're in the right place. Without any further delay, open your WhatsApp and go to your settings. There you'll see chats, tap on it and tap on chat backup. Tap on backup now. While your phone back up, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Backing up is done to ensure that your WhatsApp is up to date. So you can even go to your app store and search for WhatsApp and see if there is an update available. Keeping your app updated can fix bugs that might be causing the issue. Sometimes a simple restart can also do wonders. You can scroll down the notification bar and tap on the power button and turn off your device and turn it back on. This can refresh the app and resolve any temporary glitches. So, after your app backups, always turn on your auto backup to daily. And another thing what you can do is go to your settings and then go to your apps and search for WhatsApp. There, toggle on your camera option. And that's it. If this does not solve a problem, then you can uninstall the app and install it again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.